Kia ora, welcome to Bustaz. Today I'm going to assemble this battery. Not really assemble it into its final state, but I am going to put the cells together and compress them in a parallel configuration so that I can balance them. Now, what I have here is a mixture of more swollen and less swollen cells, I guess. So I've put the ones that are not showing really any signs of swelling at all into the center, and the more swollen ones out on the ends. Not for any reason other than I figure maybe the center of the battery could get hotter and could cause swelling, but I don't know. So and then what I've also done is I've kind of just roughly measured them so that they there's an even number of swollen and good cells in both sides, so that when I compress it they should hopefully be under quite a similar load. I have at this stage put all of the negative terminals on the inside. Now the terminals are actually marked here, negative and positive, but it's also quite easy to tell because of the little barcode sticker. So I've put the negative terminals all on the inside at this stage, and I will be running a link all the way down this side, jump across to here and all the way back down this side, and likewise I'll be running one all the way down this side and back in this side, and that will give me one side's fully negative and the other side's fully positive. So that will give me 3.2 nominal volt battery at about 1900, nearly 2000 amp hours, which of course will take a very long time to charge. So I have compressed this down to 370. Now these cells being about 30 mils each, it's maybe 10 mils more than they would be if they were fully compressed with no swelling at all. So it kind of feels about right. It's quite tight. They're tight enough that they're supported. Right, starting to look like a battery now, although they're actually all hooked up in parallel. So I've got negative running down the center and positive all connected together running around the outside. I've got that hooked up to a little DC power supply, and I am trying to charge it to 3.4 volts. Made me a battery pack. So now I'm going to balance it, but that's another video, so you'll have to keep watching to see it. If you want to do that, easiest way is to subscribe over here probably. May even be a link to it here, depends. Be a link to something well worth watching right there. But otherwise, press all the buttons, like and subscribe and all that, and hopefully we will see you again soon. Take care. Mā te wā.